Hello friends, I am Vipul Gupta and I welcome you to this video. By education, I am a software engineer and by profession, I live and work in the Silicon Valley of the USA. As part of my research project, I'm trying to merge the artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies with psephology, which is of course the study of elections and its data. After successfully predicting the outcomes of past few state elections in India, today I'm going to predict the outcomes of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in India. I hope you like it. 900 million people will poll across more than 1 million polling stations to select 543 candidates. This makes this election the largest democratic elections in the world ever. And from an engineer's perspective, it is a complex data set. There are two main parties that are contending in this election at the national level. The Bharatiya Janata Party, which is BJP, and the Indian National Congress, which is INC. I'll try to focus on these two parties only, though there are major players at the state and the regional level which will play a critical role in the final outcomes of these elections. So let's get the party started. If I talk about the overall vote share, BJP will lead with 33% of the votes. Congress will be behind BJP with only 24% of the votes, which is definitely better than its last year's performance. As of now, BJP is planning to contest on 437 seats, which will fetch them around 33% of the vote share. But what we notice is if the BJP tries to decrease the number of seats and focus on just those seats along with their alliance partners, they will be able to perform much better on those seats, which is obvious because their alliance partners will in that case not contest for the votes against BJP. INC, which is contesting on 377 seats as of now, is doing a very good thing. If we observe at their trends and patterns, we will see that as the number of voters in constituencies goes up, the vote share of INC goes down. On the other hand, if the number of voters goes down, the vote share of INC goes significantly up. To summarize, for average number of voters, BJP will get 33% vote share. INC will get 24% vote share, but their vote share will be very much sensitive to the number of people who vote. If more people vote, it will be good for BJP, though if less people vote, it will be good for the INC. The vote share for INC in the minimum and maximum range will be around 19% to 31%. It is very important for the INC to make good alliances, and making those alliances will show immediate results in their vote share. Before I move ahead, I would like to mention that this vote shares does not reflect the performance of the respective alliances. They are very much specific to the parties, BJP and the Indian National Congress themselves. Let's take it a notch up. I've taken the models and the mathematics that I have created for the national level and scaled it down to individual constituency level. Let's look at the predicted outcomes for the constituencies of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi has 7 constituencies, which is Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, East Delhi, Northeast Delhi, South Delhi, West Delhi and Northwest Delhi. Let's look at the predicted outcomes of each of these constituencies. Chandni Chowk, which is kind of central Delhi, will see BJP as the clear winner. It will win by 3 to 5% of the margin. More voters will be better for the BJP and the margin will increase. In East Delhi, the contenders, the opposition of BJP, which will be Aam Aadmi Party or Congress Party, if they both allied together, they will win. More voters will again be better for BJP and the competition will be closer. In New Delhi, BJP will win with a strong margin. Similarly, in Northeast Delhi, BJP will win with a strong margin. Margin will be less if less people vote because, as we studied earlier, more votes are good for BJP, less are not good for it. Similarly, in Northwest Delhi, BJP will win with 5 to 6% of the margin. In South Delhi, BJP will win with very close margin. AAP or Indian National Congress, if they ally together, may win if less people vote. Lastly, in West Delhi, BJP will win with a strong margin. So, if we believe these predicted outcomes, out of 7 constituencies in the National Capital Territory of Delhi, 6 will go to BJP and 1 may go to the opposition. I hope you have liked these results and will appreciate and like this video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.